Hello everyone. My name is Dr. Himanshu Sharma. I'm going to explain you about some synchronous counter, how it works, and as you can see on the screen, I'm going to these are handmade notes. I'm going to synchronous counter. Synchronous counter. Let's move to synchronous counter. Synchronous counter is starting from here. Synchronous counter is nothing, is just used to do counting, like to make combine flip-flops all together, and so that they can count. Like for example, in synchronous counter, as you can see in this solution, these are flip-flops actually joined together, and these flip-flops can do counting, uh, right? So how to make these flip-flops together? Firstly, we need to read some definition. Synchronous counter is are counters in which all the flip-flops are triggered simultaneously by the clock input pulse. It means you need to give the input uh, like simultaneously. So after that, we can say that the flip-flops change state simultaneously in synchronization with the clock pulse overall delay with overall delay will be delay, right? There are some steps. You can read these steps. I will start straight away from question. Is simply is that these are some counting given in which 000, 001, 0010 to 111. They are three-digit counting. We have to make flip-flops, combination of flip-flops. Those can count this counting. It means this is the answer of this question. So how we can get this answer? First of all, we need to make this excitation table. This is the question. Draw a state diagram. Draw a synchronous counter for this diagram. So first of all, we need to make this excitation table. This excitation table, basically PS is nothing, is the present state, and NS is the next state, and this is the request input. Qn and Qn plus 1. Qn plus 1 is nothing, is the next state, and PS is the current state, which is present state. And S and R are inputs, correspond to the outputs, and Qn and Qn plus 1 are basically inputs. So how we can get this table? We can get this table straight away from here. As you can see, let me explain first this table. This is actually, we have these four tables. First table is for SR flip-flop. Second table is for JK flip-flop. This is a JK flip-flop, not SR flip-flop, wrongly written. This is JK flip-flop, and this is table for D flip-flop, and this is for toggle flip-flop. So first of all, when we study on this table, these are some outputs, Qn values and Qn plus 1 values. It means their outputs are 00, 01, 10 and 11. For these outputs, we need to see all values of inputs of S and R. Suppose if we'll take in SR flip-flop, this table, if we take the outputs 00, so what are the corresponding inputs of these in outputs 00? So what are the inputs? S and R are inputs. If we can see outputs are 00, so if you can see on above table, this characteristics table, this is the characteristic table of SR flip-flop. In this SR flip-flop, as you can see, this is actually a 00. This is the 00, right? Qn and Qn plus value, and there is another value of Qn plus 1 00, and these are outputs. And what are the corresponding inputs of this 00? The value corresponding inputs of S and R are 0. S value of S is 0 and R value is 0 for this 00 value of Qn plus 1, and similarly the value of output Qn plus 1 are 00 for the input of 0 and 1 of value of r. It means there are two values of r, 0 and 1, and there is only one value of s, which is 0. It means we are sure that the input value of s will be 0, and we don't know value of r. It may be 0, it may be 1 for values of output qn plus 1, 0, 0. Right? So we need to take value 0 for s, and we need to take a value cross. It means we don't know this value. Don't know this value, and we need to take cross for r. So if we can go back to that table, going back to the table, as you can see, these are values of qn plus 1, 0, 0. So we can see very clearly, as we understand from above table, that values of s and 0, which is we are sure that the value of s will be 0, and r value may be 0, maybe 1. So we don't know about this value, so we are taking it as cross. Similarly, we can find the value of qn and qn plus 1 of 0 and 1. We can find out the value of s and r for the value of qn plus 1, 0 and 1. So like when we make this table of s and r, we can make the table of j and k flip-flop, and similarly d flip-flop and toggle flip-flop. So after in synchronous counter, after making this excitation table, we move to next part. We need to first of all draw a state diagram of counting. As we can see on the screen, that the counting state diagram is like this: 0, 0, 0. Then this is the ascending counting. So after that, the next value is 0, 0, 1. So the initial value is 0, 0, 0, and next value is 0, 0, 1. After that, this flip-flop, combination flip-flop, should count the value from 0, 0, 1 to 0, 1, 0. It means the first value will be 0, 0, 1, and second value will be 0, 1, 0. Similarly, in the case of another next step, that the initial value should be 0, 1, 0, and next step next state should be 0, 1, 1. Similarly, in the next step, we can say that the values of present state is 0, 1, 1, and next state is 1, 0, 0. So similarly, we can do all these countings. So we have to take present state and next state together. So after understanding diagram, we move to the table. So how we can make this table? As you can see clearly that there are many values which we can put. PS means present state of Q1, Q2, Q3, and NS is the next state of Q1, Q2, Q3, and J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1 are the values which we need to put, which are required excitation. So when we talk about the present state, we need to actually do the counting. We need to jot it down or write all the countings from 0, 0 in the present state, from 0, 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1 in the present state. And in the NS next state, you need to actually write those numbers which are actually after that the present state. It means there is a mistake that in the first line in the next state it should be 0, 0, 1 instead of 0, 0, 0. It is written that. So in the first line we can see that the present state, the value is 0, 0, 0. So the next state it should be 0, 0, 1. Right? Similarly, in the next row we can see that the value should be 0, 0, 1 of present state, and the value should be for the next state should be 0, 1, 0. How we can find these values? You can see these values from the state diagram. On the third row, in the third row, you can see that the present state value is 0, 1, 0. The next state value for the present state value is 0, 1, 1. From the state diagram, you can clearly see that the value present state, if the present state will be 0, 1, 0, the next state should be 0, 1, 1. Similarly, you write all the next state values after writing plus units, right? So after, how we can find out the value of J3, K3, J2, K2 and J1? It's very important. You can see you have to understand it very deeply, that first of all we will find the value of J3, K3. How we can find the value of J3, K3? For the value of J3, K3, you need to see first the value of Q3 of both present state and next state. What is the value of, in the first row, for what is the value of Q3 in the present state is 0, and what is the value of Q3 in next state is 0. It means the Q3 is jumping from present state to next state is 0 to 0. It means Q3 value are 0, 0. So you can see on above table of this, we are actually making this for JK flip-flop, as you can see in the step 3 JK flip-flop. So you need to see this JK flip-flop. This is a JK flip-flop, not SR flip-flop. This is JK flip-flop. What are the value of present state and next state? Q1 and Qn plus 1. Present state and next state, if we are taking the value of 0, 0 of present state and next state, Q1 and N plus 1, the value of S and R should be 0 and cross. The same value you can put here, the value of J3 and K3. As you can see very clearly, the value of J3 and K3 in the first row is 0 and cross, which is same here, 0 and cross, right? So the value of 0, 0 should be 0 and cross. The value of present state of Q3 and next state of Q3 is 0, 0. So value of J3 and K3 should be 0 and cross. In the same way, we can find the value of Q2 of present state and Q3. You have actually value of Q2 of present state and Q2 of next state are 0, 0. For these inputs, what are the value of J2 and K2? It should be 0 and cross, same like J3 and K3. Now the next is Q1. Q1 of present state is 0 and Q1 of next state is 1. It should be 1, not 0. So the values are 0 and 1. So we can see from this table that what are the SR values, JK values of 0 and 1. It should be 1 and cross. So you can put this value here, 1 and cross. The value of J1 and K1 is 1 and cross. In the same way, you can draw this table. After making this table, you have to draw this K map. How you can draw this K map? You can draw this K map. Firstly, you need to write. Firstly, I would like to say that these are K maps of J3, K3, J2, K2, J1, K1. J1, K1 are not written here. J1 and all the groups similarly for K1, right? So where are J1 and K1s? J1 and K1s are here. This column is J1. This column is K3, J2 column, K2 column. So you need to make the K map for this whole column, straight line from up to bottom of value of J3. So what are the value of J3 of this K map? The value of J3 K map are 0, 0, 0, 1, cross, 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 cross. It means there should be 4 cross and 1, and rest value should be 0, or you can leave the value. So you can put 1 cross and 4x of J3. This J3, you can put 1 cross and 4x in the K map. So as you can see in this K map, there are 4 cross and 1. So how we can put these values? You can put these values. You need to first write Q3, Q1, Q2 here. You need to put 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0 of Q1, Q2, and Q3 value of Q3 is 0, 1, 1. So how we can find the value of these? So firstly we need to see that J3. The value of J3 should be 1. If the value of J3 be 1, so what are the value of Q1, Q2, Q3 for this value of J3? The value of Q1, Q2, Q3 of this J3 are, as you can see from the straight line, straight line, the value of j through j3 where the value is 1 should be value of q3 should be 0 and q2 q1 should be 1 1. So now we don't know value of q1 q2 which is 1 1 and q3 0. So you can put the value of 1 in this q1 q3 q2 boxes. So 0 1 1. So where is 0 1 1? Here you can see the first row is 0 of q3 and 1 1, the third column is q2 q1 of 1 1. So you can put 1 here. Right, now what about rest 4x up? Now there are 4 cross of j3. Now there are thank you very much.